Hi everyone, I have another Beebeecraft unboxing that I'm doing today. I just had to open it quick to make sure that that's what this was, and it was. So I didn't peek or anything. I just wanted to make sure that's what it was, because Christmas and everything, I'm getting a bunch of things, and I don't know. It's not like the package says Beebeecraft. So I had no idea if this was it or not, but it was. Okay, so I'll show you what I got this time around. Misty gave me a sample of ribbon that was similar to this, and I think it's actually the same thing. And I loved it so much. So Beebeecraft had some. I have a small piece left that Misty gave me. It's about this big, and I really can't do much with it. I'm gonna find, there will be some that I can use, but for everything I tried to use it on so far, it was just like that much short. So I saw that they had it, and I picked that for one of my items. They also had this star ribbon, and I thought that this would be great for certain tassels that I make. Mostly for tassels, but I could also, cut it off and use some. So we got it in silver here. It's like a kind of, I don't know what material it is, but see, so we got the silver and the gold, and I'm going to list everything below. So if there's anything you see here that you like, you can click on the links below. You can get 10% off your order. Or if you don't, you can go on the links, and if there's nothing that you like in the links, it'll just take you to the site, so that you can also go on the website and see if there's anything that you would like. But so that's what I got. These are I like these. They give you, look at that. I mean, they give you a great amount. I think these are dyes. I'm not positive what I don't remember what I got. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yes. My dancing skeletons. I got them here. So we'll have to see how that goes. And I'll probably do a video when I'm doing my Gothic Christmas journal. And I also got, these are like, I have dies like this already, but these are a little bit different because, I'll show you. These are a little bit different. This film strip is wavy and stuff. Like, almost like a deckled edge. I don't have that. And I actually don't have the ticket things, I don't think. So I wanted that because it was different, but I also wanted this because it's got like the picture, the portrait thing that you put together and you can put a picture inside. So that's what I got this for. And there's some extra things here that you have, which I'm not too interested in those, but I like this wonky thing, and then these two. So I got that. I can't wait to. These aren't really dancing skeletons, but there's a few different kinds in here, and they're, well, let me open it. They're like different positions and stuff. So there's one. I like that it's all one piece. You throw it in the thing and then you can put it together. Here's another. We got that one. And we got this one. So they're all kind of different poses and stuff. And like I said, I like that there's not a million pieces. Everything's like there. That really irks me when there's dies that you want, and they're like a bunch of pieces. That makes me irate. It really does. I don't like that. I know I deal with some Tim Holtz dies that are like that, but very rare that I think I have 2 sets that are like that. I just refuse. I can't. I don't mind little pieces as long as they're like grouped together. I just hate putting one little piece, and then putting it through the machine. And nah, I can't. I can't do that. I like them better if they're all like together. You know, one pass, and then you can take a bunch out at one time. I think we all are on the same page there with that. That's just insanity. Ooh, I also got some of this. It is a big roll. And I also got this for tassels and things. Look how beautiful that is. It's thick. That is thick. It's like velvety. That's really pretty. And it's navy blue, and it's got the gold stars. But this would be good just to put on projects too. I loved that when I saw it, so I got that. And then just put the little pin back. But as you can see, you get quite a bit here. I thought that was beautiful. And it's something I don't have, you know. It was different, so. And then lastly, I can't remember what kind of black lace this is, so we're going to find out together because I can't remember what I got. Oh, yes. Yes. I like that. Isn't that nice? Matter of fact, Misty from Mystical Misty 1 gave me some of this in gold and like a yellowish gold and some green and red and blue. Matter of fact, it's right there, the red one, right here. So I saw it in black. I got to stock up on black. I mean, But again, look how much they give you on this bolt. There's a lot, So you can check my links out for the pricing and all that. I'm bad with that stuff. So that's what I got for the unboxing. So we'll see what I use it on. So we got this beautiful black lace and this black. Look at that. Love that. We got that. We got the gold and silver stars. This beautiful velvety trim. The navy blue with the gold stars. And we got skeleton dies. And also the frames. And the wonky film strip. And some ticket dies with a bunch of little things in between that you can use as well. Like a paper clip. Binder clips are there, bulldog clips. These other clips that, you can put on items and things like that. So, that's there too. Just spruce your stuff up with a little something. So that's what I have for today. Again, if you use my code Petey10, Petey 10, it'll be down in the description anyway. Petey10 for 10% off your order. Make sure you go into my links, and you can go find other stuff too on the site that way. So that's what I have for you today. So I'll be making a couple more videos on what I create. And what I'm going to create, I don't know yet, but we'll figure it out. So thanks for watching Happy Crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.